Hi you guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hi, I am Honey Ostwal. Let me just tell you, I make entertainment videos, I make vlogs, I make restaurant videos and reviews, then makeup videos and a lot more. So basically it's a mixture of all. That's my channel all about. And today I'm going to take you through my Valentine weekend. That was 13th and 14th. So yes, let's start. Firstly, all my cousins from Surat, Bhaiya, Bhabhi and everybody, Didi, Jiju, everybody had come from Surat, and from Mumbai, we all cousins went to No Escape. Now it's a treasure hunt kind of a place. Like basically,
उनका घर है 2 BHK house, and then in one room, the rooms are quite big. Okay, in one room they made a theme. One room theme is prison, and the second room theme is casino. So I might show you casino video. I had taken that video, but prison video I haven't taken. And so you have to get all the clues from that room, and then there are locks. Okay, so you have to find what is the number of the lock. Like क्या नंबर हो सकता है, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट. क्या वर्ड हो सकता है, क्या लेटर्स हो सकते हैं, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स एंड देन कम आउट. यू गेट ओनली 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes you have to solve your puzzle and come out of the room. Okay,
now this place is in Bandra Elko Market. It's on Hill Road. Elko restaurant is there, just in that building. So Elko Market, and I would suggest go in groups like 4 to 5 people, and you guys are going to enjoy this place. Now let me tell you the age group. Okay,
age group which I think they'll enjoy a lot will be like from 8 to 10, like starting from 10 to 40, around say 40 45 tak, if you like, you know, fun. If you're a fun kind of a person, I think 40 45 will love it, because isme you just have to use your brains. So it's a fun game. All my bhaiya bhabhi, they have like 2 to 3 kids, and they enjoy the game. Like trust me, they enjoy the game. So you guys can go in groups, or kids like you guys, teenagers. Nowadays teenagers are like kahan pe jaye. So this is the place for you guys, teenagers. Go to this place. Now what we have done, you know, we made 2 groups. We were 11 people, so we made 2 groups. एक पहले prison गया, and second वाला we went to casino, and then we took a break. You'll see in the video, and then we switched. Okay, so we played both the games, and we asked that man for अच्छा खासा discount because we are playing both the games, and we were 11 people. So yeah, that was the first thing.
so here we are asking them for a good discount because we were 11 people and we wanted to play both the games. So that is what we were talking here right now. तो हम वीडियो भी नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं. So this is the casino, and I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but just a little bit of it, and it's super fun. So after 1-1 game, we took a break because everybody was super hungry. So my brothers bought McDonald's ka burger. After that, we went on Hill Road itself because we were on Hill Road only, and we did some shopping. Now a lot of you guys on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there because I give a lot of updates there more than YouTube. I give it there on Instagram, so follow me there. Now this crop hoodie, everybody was asking me from where you got. So I bought this from Hill Road itself. So let me just show you to you. Ignore I wore like night dress pant. So this is what the hoodie looks like, and I bought this for just 300 rupees. Okay, just for 300 bucks. So you can go on Hill Road and find such amazing clothes. Then since Surat mein
alcohol and you know partying is banned, you cannot party late night, and wahan ka DJ is not that amazing like Mumbai. So all of them wanted to, you know, hang out in Mumbai's club. So then we decided to go Lords of the Drink in Powai. So before that we were super hungry, or you can say that we didn't wanted to waste a lot of money. So we went in Santa Cruz West, Car West. There is a Manju Dosa wala. I'll again like mention the details here somewhere. So there's this Manju Dosa wala. we went there and we had like अच्छा खासा पेट भर के डोसा, and then we went to Lords of the Drink to Pani.
So we are at Khar West, Santa Cruz West. Manju dosa wala. The dosa was so amazing. So this is before we were going clubbing. We thought to fill our stomach because clubbing में बहुत पैसे उठ जाते हैं. So yeah, we thought to eat something and go. So that is, and here we reach club. We basically are going to meet my mommy sa, basically my mama and mommy. So there we are going. That's Apsara's pan flavor ice cream. Guys, if you haven't eaten pan ice cream, I would recommend you guys to go to I forgot the name. Apsara's pan ice cream. You guys need to try this. Like need to try this. So try Apsara's pan ice cream. It's amazing, and also the Kesar ice cream. Like even that's very good. It depends on mood. So these are the two ice creams which normally you don't get in every other ice cream parlors, but they had it. So try that. ये हम है, ये हमारी आइसक्रीम है
और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है, पार्टी हो रही है, पार्टी हो रही है.
Then we went to किधर गए थे हम, याद आ गया, it's Vasu sandwich. So we went to Vasu sandwich, which is in Goregaon, and had Bahubali sandwich. Oh my god, it was so amazing. No name pizza, all these things you will get to know in Knock Knock Mumbai's page. So go on Instagram and check out my Knock Knock Mumbai page. I will post everything there, and wahan pe you'll get a lot of variety of food places, and if you're a foodie you're gonna love that page. So go and check that out. I give reviews about restaurant, I make my own recipes and post on that. So you guys need to definitely check out that page. It will be down in the description box. You just have to tap and the page will arrive. Okay, so let's get back to the That's Bahubali pizza, quite big. By the expression we'll get it how it is. This is all India sandwich. It had a little bit of Chinese taste, but really yummy. Taste is damn delicious. Damn delicious. Okay. After that, we all went back to home. They were going back to Surat, and I went to RCT because Food Fest. I love Food Fest of. Normally whenever like RCT hota hai ya Phoenix Mall mein they keep Food Fest, I enjoy Food Fest. Like I go almost every Food Fest because I love it. All these updates you'll get it on my Instagram page, so follow me there, okay? And yeah, so after that I went with my friend to the Food Fest in RCT Mall, and let's check out. Guys, you should never miss out these Food Fest and all. They are super amazing. They have these coupon style there. Pasta was delicious because they added lesson in it, and that was the star. like that was my weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed the food and the places that I have recommended you guys on. So go and check it out, and if you go to these places, don't forget to tag me at Honey Ostwal official or at Knock Knock Mumbai. And I hope you guys go there because it's amazing place. Whichever Honey has recommended the place, that means that place has to be 100% amazing. If I say no to some place, definitely it's, if you want to try, you can still try, but it'll be no from my side. But if I say yes and 100%, that means you guys need to go to this place. It's amazing. And yeah, that's it. If you want to see such more videos, and if you enjoyed my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe and press the bell icon. And yeah, I love you all. Mwah. Bye.